Итак, today is the 6th of June 2026, and I'm in the Kingdom of Norway in Sundalsøra town. It is 11 in the night here. And I will repeat Russian alphabet first, and then I will read the texts from textbook which is devoted to Russian grammar. If we use Wikipedia Russian alphabet, and I'll give the link in the description of this video, then we can see that there are 33 letters in Russian alphabet, as I said before. They are A, B, V, G, D, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И, Й, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ. Твердый знак, мягкий знак, Ю, Я. And this textbook begins with the description of the culture of speech in Russian language. So I will continue this in the next video.